Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write a book with FastRead. Let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in FastRead.io. We are going to create a book with their built-in AI. So once you've created your account, you can do this with your email address or your Google account. You're going to go up over here and you'll see create new book. Now, before we do that, you'll see there are trending books over here. And here you can see what type of books are actually trending. And if you go over here under actions, you can actually create a book on this particular topic. So let's say, for example, there's something that's trending and it's got a high potential, or there's a high impact of the topic. You can go ahead and just create a book on that actual topic. Okay, so for now, we're going to go and create a new book on our own. Now, there are a bunch of features, and I'll show you the pricing in a second, but most of the features are actually behind a paywall, but you can go ahead and create a book and create a basic startup. So from here, you're going to add in your details. So you are going to add in the author of the book, the genre, the book length, your language, your purpose of the book, which you can also try a book idea generator, and then your target audience. And this will help when marketing your book. So go ahead and let's go add in all of this information. Here we'll now see that we're on the synopsis step, which is step number 2. And here there's a book title. So it has auto-generated this book title. So the Quick and Thrifty Meals for Busy Parents. And this is a book about preparing quick, budget-friendly meals. So if you've worked a long, hard day, you can come home and quickly prepare something nutritious and tasty. About the author. So you can see over here, there's a bit of a write-up. You can change this, of course, but this has been auto-generated. Now we have a book synopsis. Juggling work, childcare, and a household budget can leave a little time and money for elaborate meals. Blah, blah, blah. Great. If you don't like it, regenerate it. If you want to just change a few things about it, go ahead and physically edit it on your own. Once you're done, let's go ahead and click on Add Book Synopsis. We are now in the outline stage, which is step 3. All right, so we've got a book outline. So this will be your book structures, your chapters, your key points. You can also generate images. So this is automatically creating images for each chapter. And here it is. So here we go. We've got our introduction, smart strategies, meal planning, speedy weeknight dinners, easy lunches and weekend bites, and beyond the basic, which is your kitchen tips and tricks. Great. And once you're happy with everything over here, you can obviously go ahead, you can add to, you can remove. And once you're done, you're going to go and click on Generate Book. You'll be redirected over here and you're going to come down all the way to the bottom. You'll see Your Books. And you're going to click on your books. Now, this will just go into the book so that you can view it, but there are some other options. You can create an audiobook over here. You can download it, you can edit it, and then you can just straight up delete it. Let's go ahead and see what actually happened here. Immediately, you can see lovely cover over here, a lovely little intro, and the chapters, language, genre, published, date, synopsis, and all of the details. Now you can go ahead and you can download this, or you can click on the Want to Read, which will allow you to read it. Let's click on the Read Online. So you can go through the pages here and you can see that this is actually quite a sick book. Now, coming back to the pricing, so you will have limited features if you're using the free tier, but for only $12 a month, you could actually get 25 credits per month, 2 books per month. You can export it as a PDF or a Word doc. You get 1 author profile, advanced AI writing capabilities, advanced books, and an audiobook option, which I mentioned earlier on. So for just $12 a month, you could actually publish this book and you could sell it for quite a bit more than $12 a month. I hope this was helpful.